Let me ask you something honestly. Today, AI is writing code, building websites, even solving assignments. So, a very normal question comes in a student's mind. Should I still learn coding or should I just depend on AI? If this question has ever come to your mind, this video is exactly for you. Now think about what we see every day. ChatGPT writes assignments in seconds. Seniors use AI tools during internship. Then you open YouTube and see reels saying coding is dead. One reel says learn AI prompts, another says learn DSA, and the brain gets confused. That confusion is not your fault. Traditional coding means writing code by yourself. Remember the first time you wrote a loop? Felt boring, it felt confusing. Sometimes you even felt like giving up. But after some practice, suddenly things started making sense. That struggle is important. Traditional coding matters in real situations. Exams don't allow ChatGPT, interviews don't allow copy paste, and when AI generated code breaks, someone has to debug it. AI won't sit with you in exams or interviews. Your understanding will. Now let's talk about AI coding. AI is like a super smart friend. You ask something and it replies instantly. It feels powerful. And honestly, it is powerful. But there's a catch. AI saves time, but it also makes people lazy. Lazy learning feels good today, but creates fear later. Many students say the code runs, but I don't know why it runs, and that's dangerous. So think of it like this. Traditional coding is like gym for your brain. It builds strength slowly. AI coding is like a bike. It increases speed. You need both, but first strength, then speed. If you are a beginner, please listen this carefully here. First try to solve the problem yourself, even if you fail. Then use AI to understand where you went wrong. Ask AI why, not just give code. Don't let AI steal your learning. The correct learning path is simple. Learn basic first, practice regularly, then use AI to grow faster. This is how good developers grow, and this is how confidence comes. Coding is not dead, bad learning habits are. Smart learning will always win with or without AI. In the next video, we'll talk about can AI actually replace programmers in real life? This channel is all about clarity, not shortcuts. Let's decode things clearly.